Hey guys, Lynette here, and this is the Allure Beauty Box spoilers for the month of November. Keep in mind, guys, we always have a full list of the spoilers in the description box below, so you guys can check that out, of course. And also, there's going to be a lipstick. Keep in mind that lipstick will come in a variety of shades, just not the photo or the shade that you see in the photo. So keep that in mind. All right, so let's get in and let's get into those spoilers. Alright guys, so what did you think of the Allure Beauty Box spoilers number 2? If you haven't seen the part 1, I'll put the video in the description box below so you guys can check that out. Definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have a good day, guys.